to our channel. I am Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. The topic that I am covering today is basically the image fusion, artificial intelligence based image fusion. So the technology that we have used here is the NeuroFuzzy, adaptive NeuroFuzzy network with the Laplacian pyramid image fusion. What exactly the image fusion is? Let's have a look. For example, I am having these two. There is this image, as you can see, this area is blurred in this image, and this is the second image in which this section is blurred. Both images are itself not completed, but if we get an image which is more clear with respect to the individual, the space is saved, the information can be extracted from a single image, and many other options are available over there. Not specifically for the generic images, even it can be used for defense application, for medical images, and many other areas, right? So let's have a look what exactly we have done. So this is the code that we have designed. Firstly, I am going to run this code. When I am running this code, it will ask me to select the images that I want to fuse. I am going to select those only which I have showed you only. So this one is the first image, this is the second image. In this we have done the segmentation firstly, then by using the fusion technique we have fused both the images. For the segmentation purpose, we have used the NeuroFuzzy, which is the type of the machine learning algorithm which is used by training it for different case studies. As you can see, the two inputs are over there, 16 rules are over there. On the behalf of that, it will give us the information related to the that how much which section is to be segment. So on the behalf of that, it will segment both the images that I have given as an input. As you can see, this is the first segmented image. Secondly, we will get the second segmented image, and on the behalf of the pyramid based fusion we have used Laplacian pyramid. So this is that technique is named as LP-NFIZ. So that is the Laplacian pyramid based adaptive NeuroFuzzy fusion technique, which is a artificial intelligence based technique for the fusion. So let's have a look that what exactly we have received. These are the parameters that we have calculated. You can see this is the final fused image that I have received, and you have already seen the other images here. This section, the left section was blurred, the right section was blurred. This is the image with the cleared sections of both sides. So obviously my system is better and giving the better fused image, which is the main objective of this particular technology. So artificial intelligence can be used in any of the domain, and pyramidal technology is being used for the fusion purpose. So I hope you people like this video. For more details, stay tuned to our channel and get the recent research topics in the artificial intelligence technology. Thanks for watching the